Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change location on Shein application. If you are looking for a way to change your location on Shein, then here's how you can do it. Open your Shein application or log into Shein.com on a web browser, and then once you're in the main home page, tap on the profile button or the human button at the bottom right. On the next page, tap on the gear icon at the top right hand corner. This will open up the settings menu. Tap on location from the options and then select your desired location and tap on it. After you choose the desired location, you can now go back to the main interface, and that is how you'll be able to change your location on Shein. Your location will be displayed right at the top under the Shein logo. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet, and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with next tutorial video. Thank you for watching.